Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's lecture, I will show you how we can create a shared mailbox, how we can use different aspects of shared mailbox, or how we can share the shared mailbox with any of the user. So for this, basically you will need an admin access to Office 365 Admin Center. If you can see the screen, I am already logged in to Admin Center in Office 365. So, what's the difference between shared mailbox and a normal mailbox? So, the main difference between shared mailbox and normal mailbox is the licensing. The shared mailbox doesn't need any license, and shared mailbox can be shared with a licensed user, right? And this will use their license memory or space or storage to share emails with them. You must be global administrator to perform these actions. Usually, I get a chance to create a shared mailbox for our clients. So, usually these shared mailbox are like accounts, podcasts, like info, or uh, we can like usually we used to create a shared mailbox using these types of names. You can create according to your requirement. Okay, let's go ahead and see how we can create the shared mailbox. So once you will log in into Microsoft Admin Center, you will see this type of screen, right? And you must be a global administrator to perform these actions. So in the left side, Teams and Group, we will go to shared mailboxes as we want to create a shared mailbox. So let's go to shared mailbox to create the one. I will name it. This is just for your understanding. I will name it uh, shared mailbox. I will delete it once I complete my video. This is just for your understanding. So this is as simple. We have created a shared mailbox without a license. Let's hit save changes. Okay, as now we have created a shared mailbox here, right? And within a couple of minutes, you can add members who can read and reply to emails sent to shared mailbox. So let's add member right from here, and I will also show you the second way where we can add member to share mailbox. So if I go add members here, the number I've added a member to my shared mailbox after creating a shared mailbox. So it's still saving, now it's updating. Okay, now we have a member into our shared mailbox. Let me search my shared mailbox here. We just have created. Okay, and my shared mailbox have one member I have added here. We also have some of the options here. We can set up in our shared mailbox. We can set up automatic replies once, like if we don't want to use shared mailbox, or if we want to explain someone that this shared mailbox, if you send email on this shared mailbox, this will be sent to this email. So we can set up automatic replies. We can set up email forwarding from shared mailbox to any other mailbox, right? And we can keep a copy of forward email in this mailbox. We can assign emails here, forward the emails, right? So I'm not doing forwarding for now. This was just to explain you. And the member I've added to my shared mailbox have access to send as permission, right? And read and manage permission for the shared mailbox. Also, let me tell you that we can add more than one members to our shared mailbox so that we can give shared mailbox permissions as much as members we can. We can add for read and manage, we can add for send as permission, or we can add members that send on behalf of a shared mailbox. So I'm adding my this email here, right? I am the mailbox I have shared with. I'm adding that email here so that I can show you how to send email on the behalf permissions. How can send email on send as permission email. So okay, I've added this member here. Let's go to this mailbox and I will show you how we can add this shared mailbox to my mailbox. Sometimes share mailbox could also pop up on the left hand side under your email folders, but sometimes we have to add share mailbox. I will show you how we can add a share mailbox under our email if it's not popping up there automatically. Sometimes share mailbox automatically gets added under these folders, right? If you can see, I already have a one share mailbox here added. So if I wanna add the current share mailbox with this folder, I can add it by right clicking here. Uh, no, not on the inbox. We can right click on the folder section, and we can, okay, let's go to folder, add a shared folder. Here you go. I can see shared mailbox added to my email. This could take few minutes on preparing it, but it's prepared. Shared mailbox with all of the required folder we we have in our email. Okay, I was searching for the from option, show from, right? Once we show from, we can change email address uh, and we can add share mailbox email address here, right? So better to use from option. We can expand it, and if you have remember, I have already shown you that if we select this option, send on a behalf of permission, and we have added our email to send on behalf of permission, we can send emails directly from the shared mailbox, right? So I can send to anybody here, gmail.com. Subject is test and test. So what I did here, I am sending from the shared mailbox. The shared mailbox which is totally free and that is shared with mine email, my mailbox, right? And I can send email from the shared mailbox free without having any license. That's it about today. What we have learned that how we can set up a shared mailbox, how we can share a shared mailbox with an individual user, and how we can send test email from a shared mailbox, or how we can use shared mailbox for our emailing. And shared mailbox is license free, and shared mailbox could be shared with more than one user. So all the setting will work once you set up from the admin center, right? If you don't have access to admin center, you will not be able to set up shared mailbox. So navigating to shared mailbox here, yeah. If you do not add yourself or the person who need access to shared mailbox as a member here or here, then that will be a problem. They will not be able to send receive email or they will not be able to use share mailbox here. So that's it about today's lecture. I hope you will learn something better and something in a more easy way. Thank you for watching. Keep watching, keep sharing, and keep liking. Bye.